Hello. So for today, I'm going to teach you how to use Tinkercad. So what is Tinkercad? Tinkercad is an online Arduino simulator. So just in case if you don't have an Arduino or you don't have enough of the parts but you want to do your project, you might consider using Tinkercad. But how do you use it? Right. So I'm going to show you how to sign up for an account. Okay, to start, you can search for Tinkercad. Or you can go to this website over here. Yeah, just press here. And let's wait for it to load. See what we are going to do next. Okay, so even if you don't have an account, you can just press login and then press personal account, and then let's put sign in with Google. Okay, sign in with Google. So I'm going to use one of my fake accounts to sign up. Okay, so let's create an account. So for country, put where you're from. I'm going to put for Malaysia. Birthday, I'm not going to put in my real birthday lah, of course. Okay, now for the year. So it's important that you'll be at least 18 years old, I presume. So you can put your age as, the year you were born as 2000. Because if you put it, again, I presume below 18, you will need more steps to go through, like extra permissions and everything. And if I'm not mistaken, you need to link with an email and so on. So with parental email, if I'm not mistaken. So to save yourself the hassle, just put above 18 for the age, for the date, for the year you were born. Okay, let's press next. Let's press continue. I really should put the Jeopardy song post-production. Alright, so now let's learn how we are going to create circuits on Tinkercad, or almost say Arduino, to simulate Arduino on Tinkercad. So you can press over here to create your first circuit design, or you can press on the top right here, put new design, and press circuit. Alright, so when you load up your Tinkercad, when you created a new circuit, you'll see that there's a name up here that you can change it. Yeah. Double click it, change it. Maybe I'm going to put test circuit. And then this Tinkercad, it auto saves. So every time you do something, it will help you to save, as long as you are connected to the internet. Okay. So now it's empty, it's an empty screen. But don't worry, we're going to put our components inside. So you can search for any components you want over here. Not all of them lah. But you can see which components are available. You can go to the list here. Okay, we'll go to all and see all the available components. Okay. So the first thing that I want to put is the Arduino. So let me search for Arduino over here. Let's take the R3. So I can click it and drag it, or I can just drag it from here directly. I think it's going to be clicked instead. Is it? Yeah. So you can drag it here. Yeah, you can zoom in and out of your circuit, by the way, by holding Control or Command if you're on Mac, and using the mouse wheel. So if you scroll the mouse wheel to the bottom, you zoom out, and to the top is zoom in. Now, let's put in a breadboard as well. Let's take a small breadboard. Okay. Let me connect it over here. Let's make it a bit nicer. Okay. Now I want to simulate using an LED. So let's search for an LED. Let's take the normal one, this one. I'm going to drag it and put it on J1, J2. Okay. So if you hover over the legs, you can see what leg they are. The cathode and anode. You can also give it a name and change the color of it. Let's change it to orange. Alright. So now we're going to connect the wires. So cathode will be to ground, and anode, let's put it to 13. Okay, I'm going to connect it. So we can actually just connect it like this. But see how confusing it is? So I'm going to show you how to beautify your wires. Okay, let's delete this and let's delete this. Click here. Okay, see this blue line? This blue line means that it's aligned. Okay, and then let's connect it down here. So when I click it one time, so it will move the wire around. See? Every time you click it, it will move around. If you want to delete the wire, connect it to somewhere else first, and then press delete. Okay. So now let's do it one more time. Let's connect it from the breadboard. Let's click here. Okay. Sorry, a bit more to find. Click here, and then let's go down. Okay. So see, there's 3 points here that you can use to move the wires around to align them. So it was not aligned properly now. But wait, we made an error. This is supposed to be the cathode, the ground. Don't worry, just click on the wire and click one of these points, move it to ground, and move this one to make it neater. Yeah. Now let's do the same for anode. Let's put it in 13. So I'm going to click here, go here. Okay, and go here. Yeah, perfect. But let's change the color. So you can change how the wire looks like, the wire type, and the color over here. Because it's orange, let's use orange. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to show you how to code the LED to make it blink. So to code on Tinkercad, you can press the code button up here. You open up the code window, and you have different ways to code. One is blocks, one more is, if you click the blocks, there's blocks and text, and one more is text. So I'm going to show you how to use the text method for today. So text, this one is okay, please continue. Okay, let's make the LED blink for 100 milliseconds. So yeah, 13 from our output. Yeah, let's delete all of this code. We don't need it. Actually, we can use it, but I'm in the mood to redo it. So notice how the code is just like how you're coding on Arduino IDE. Okay, done. So how do you run the code, or how do you upload the code? We press the start simulation button up here. This is autosave. Okay. Now it's initializing. Let's wait for the simulator to start. Okay, it started. So see, it simulates how the LED will blink on the Arduino. And if you're done, because let's say you made an error and you want to add more components, maybe more LEDs or more wires, you can add it when it's in the simulation mode. So you will need to stop the simulation. Then you can move your items around, your components around. And that's it. That's the basis of Tinkercad. I hope you learned something new today and enjoy yourself while using Tinkercad. Alright, that's all for today. Bye bye.